Hello and welcome to my empty house. It's probably pretty echoey. I'll try to do as little audio as I can in here. The next 3 or 4 weeks is going to be completely kind of just refreshing the whole house. We're going to paint all the ceilings. I'm going to scrape for sure the main level ceiling and spray a knockdown texture on it. We're going to have all the walls painted. We're going to refinish all the trim, hit it with steel wool, clean it up as best we can, put a new coat of poly on it. We're going to paint all the kitchen cabinets. I have a new cabinet I need to make there because we have a fridge that's a different size than when we moved in. There's a new door I'm going to put in the master bedroom. I'm going to put a sliding barn door. I got a ton of projects to do. My next 3 to 4 weeks, the month of August, is going to be me working in this house, getting ready so the house can be sold, so I can do all the projects I want to do on the bus. Today, deconstruction day 1. I'm going to start tearing out the carpeting. I'll probably start scraping the ceilings. I've already scraped about half of the master bathroom ceiling just because I wanted to see what it was like. So I took a smaller room, put a 12-inch wide scraper on a broom handle, and it goes pretty smooth. Putting it back up hopefully is just as easy. We'll find out. I've never done it before. It doesn't look that hard, and I've sprayed a lot of different types of finishes from paints and polys to I've spent enough time with a spray foam gun in my life that I think I can spray. So hopefully it all goes well. I also have to help my daughter move into a new apartment, which is a little over an hour away from here. I don't know how much demo I'm going to get done today, but I got to get a lot of this done. What I don't get done today, I need to get done tomorrow. I've got a little bit of work done at the house this morning, not nearly as much as I want. I'm on my way to St. Cloud right now with a bunch of my daughter's belongings, and I'm going to help her move into her apartment. I'm trying my best to slow down and really enjoy this because helping your daughter move into her first apartment, that's a really cool thing for a dad to be able to do, and I'm really proud of her, yet I have so much work to do at my own house that I'm having trouble slowing down and appreciating this. But I've been thinking about it on the drive up here, and I'm going to do my best to just slow down, appreciate what I get to do, which is carry a bunch of furniture up 3 flights of stairs. But either way, appreciate it. Enjoy her place, enjoy my time with her, and then this evening when I get back home, rip and tear on my own house some more. Wish me luck. The electrical outlet that we want to center it on?
Yeah.
Come here, I'll show you. The electrical outlet is technically right here. This is not wide enough to cover 3 studs, so I either have to install it on those 2 studs there or those 2 studs there. Which direction would you like me to go?
The left.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Hard to work. Hello. Yep. Swiper's up here. I'd like to say he's helping me, but...
Are you helping or are you making it harder? Come here. Come here. Are you helping or making it hard?
Well, you're hugging it. I'll tape it.
Go and do that.
Do that? Mm-hmm. I'm actually going to stick it to you. Anything that's... I didn't really want to stick it to you. I just wanted to kind of stick it to you. You look like you're being oppressed. Like you're being censored. You're making a statement. Hey, here.
Well,
Here.
oh, thank you.
You can set the... I don't know where.
Inside, right inside the bathroom.
You should go look in my bathroom. I have all the I scraped all the texture off the ceiling when I first got here.
Alright, I'm wearing my bad shoes now.
Good.
Whoa,
It looks like a bomb went off in there, doesn't it?
yeah, it actually does, like an actual bomb.
Like an actual bomb, yeah. The whole ceiling is now sitting
Look
on
at
the
my
floor.
feet.
Yeah. Yeah, the whole ceiling is sitting on the floor. Got my dust mask. It's about 11:45. I've been working on the house. Worked on a couple hours this morning. I should try to stay quiet. It's really echoing in here. It's about 11:45. I've been working on the house most of today. I took a couple hour lunch break and I just got done with about an hour long break. Josh came over. We scraped the ceiling. And then the video I had watched, the guy had taken a sponge and had wiped the areas where you can see these lines here after he had scraped it. And then scraped it a second time there and the last of it came down. I thought I was going to be brilliant. I got a sponge on a stick. I don't have to climb up on a step stool. Scraped this all down first. Then Josh had the idea, what if we spritzed it with water and we did it beforehand? So we went out, cleaned the Roundup out of the sprayer, sprayed it down first. That's what we did in the front room. Wow, 75% less dust, came down half the effort. I wish I would have done that in here. Now I have to go over all of this to get these seams a little bit still, but nonetheless, it's coming down pretty well. I've had a very productive day. I wanted to have everything I have done.
And see that I was obviously rolling around a lot today. So even though I'm actually asleep and not aware, obviously asleep, I have to set an alarm. Otherwise, my body will continue to sleep until like 9 or 10 o'clock, and then I wake up and I feel terrible. It's like too much. So I have to actually set an alarm. Plus, my kids go to bed. Anyway, I don't know how we got to that. Before we do this in.
It's a disaster zone. I'll take you for a little tour. The ceilings, if you would focus, the ceilings look really nice. Family room, hallway, kitchen, dining. Living room. Now, That ceiling's 17 feet up there. I really want to get that popcorn ceiling off too. Thinking of renting some scaffolding or borrowing some scaffolding. We'll see how putting up the ceiling goes. Taking it down is great. I got great smooth ceilings here. I still have that room to do. Still do the den, but great smooth ceilings here, but I got a little bit of cleanup left to do. And this is the better room. This room it came out the best in. I don't even know if this shows up or if it just shows up as white. Oh well, I have some sweeping to do.
I was cleaning till almost 3 in the morning last night. Man, that makes a mess taking down that ceiling. I'm glad I didn't do it while I lived in the house. Thank you very much, Josh, for coming up with the list. Missed it first. Made way less mess, way easier to clean, way less dust. Probably only 20-25% of the dust. Still, the whole ceiling is up on the floor, still needs to be shoveled, still needs to be picked up, but that was way easier than picking up the back half of the house. Way less dusty. Yeah, time to start putting this house back together. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.